So in this video, we'll just use SADMAP, solving linear equations. Fairly easy. Just use this acronym and you should be able to solve these questions. So let's say if I have -3 is equal to s minus -3 and I've got -4. So when I'm working with each side separately, I have to employ PEMDAS. But when I'm moving stuff from one side to the other is when I employ SADMAP. So let's work with this side. We've got two negatives, so that will become a positive and a -4. And then we can start off with SADMAP. So we see a division sign. Let's work with that. Because the addition is there, but it's more like thinking about a parenthesis. So the parentheses is at the bottom. When you see the big fraction, just treat it like a parenthesis. So let's multiply -4 on both sides. This will cancel. We'll be left with s plus 3 and a 12. And now we can work with the addition part. So let's subtract the 3 on both sides and we get 9 is equal to s. Let's plug that in over here. There you are. Okay, let's try this. So again, SADMAP, if you're working with each individual side, use PEMDAS, otherwise you use SADMAP for both sides. So here we've got multiplication. Whenever you see something written this way, this just means multiplication. So what's the opposite of multiply? Divide. So let's divide 2 on both sides. So you get m as 9. So let's plug in 9. We'll hit submit. Okay. Then we have 2 plus 3g is equal to 17. Let's subtract 2. 3g is equal to 15. And then we divide 3 on both sides. G is equal to 5. And that's what we plug in over here. So this should be fairly easy, but attempt it. It's good for learning or practicing the skill because it's everywhere. Equations will be all throughout, not only in algebra, but in geometry and any advanced course of mathematics that you take, you'll find equations. So practice it properly. Thank you. Have a nice one.